What is up, YouTube? It's your boy 62 Tokyo back with another video. And today's video should be sort of kind of short. Today we're going to be installing the side marker lights. It's a quick thing I can do real quick. We got a couple of meets. We got one today that I might not be going to. Then we have one Saturday and Sunday, which I'm going to. So I'm going to be recording that whole day. If there's multiple meets, I might just record separately, I don't know. But today, you know, it's raining sadly, so I can't get that much content done. But I'm going to drop this, then I'm going to drop the video about the exhaust. So I've been waiting to drop a video on it. I want to make sure it's to my liking. And if you have any questions, you can go to my Instagram page at 62Tokyo. That's 6ix2Tokyo. And then you know, follow me on TikTok at Drunk Dumplings as well. But you know, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to my brother's house. So with these side marker lights, you know, they're just plain. They're like, you know, they're ugly as shit. Like, just plain. Then they only light up in the fucking middle. Now with the ones I got, you know, I don't know if I take them out yet, but you know, they're blacked out. They go, I think they're either double-sided or one-sided. And so, you know, the car is already black and white, well, white and black. So this should make it look 10 times better. I'm getting more things added to make the car even, like, you know, more black. Some side skirts, splitter. I want to do mirrors. I'm gonna do the fin, but more black with this white should make this car pop out even more than it is. I might get rid of the strap, but that's what I'm known for, having a strap. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna probably end up doing it right here, move it in the back. So let me get everything moved out of the way. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to show y'all, because okay, with this right here is this screw, this screw, this screw, or you probably can just do this screw, get this out. No, yeah. You have 1, 2, 3. Move it out the way. It's just one clip that goes here. Same on that side. I believe it's the same way in the back as well. One screw. It's one here. I think another one's at the top, and it's real tight back here. So it's 3 screws and a clip. So these aren't hard to get to. And they're not hard to get to, they're not hard to take off either. So once I get back there, I'm gonna take y'all. All right, so we got the Jeep. Now we're gonna start working on getting this apart. Okay, I have it in there. It is a 332. The problem is this is wet, so they're just in here just fucking spinning. So I might just take a hammer and just smack it in there, just stick it in there. Or I don't have anything at his house that I can use to warm these up. I'm gonna go like that. Something like a heat gun or something, I don't know. But I'll come back to you when I figure it out. Alright, so you don't have to fuck with that last one. Fuck that one. Get through here. And if I remember, it's just these clips right here, and unplug that. Okay, so look at that real quick. Okay, so here are the instructions right here. So you want to take this part out of here, and I believe you take the bulb out, then connect the bulb to this part right here. That's how you're doing that one. This is right side. So this is the right side. This is how it looks. I'm gonna take all of these and probably put them at the side that they're supposed to be on. Left front. I'm gonna put all these in their respectable spots, and then I'm gonna show you how to put this back in. This is really simple, just these 2 clamps. And I'm gonna just go around. I'm gonna show you all how to do the back. I'm gonna do the fronts real quick, then show you how to do the backs because they're way tighter. Like I said, we got one right here. One's right here, and one's right here. It's probably another one, but I believe the most two you gotta really worry about these two right here. Like I said, they're very close. It's real tight, but I feel like it'd be easy to get to it. Very she likes me to do it. Done. Look here, baby, I hope you find whatever it is that you need. But I also hope that these Tyson asses walk around barefoot in these streets. Look I gotta say, you know, that look absolutely better. Like, I should have really got it before and after before I did this, but any Camaro, you know, them lights is just horrible. Well, I think I already got it before and after, but still. This looks so much better. Next up, tail lights, diffuser, side skirts, splitter. Oh my God. And this is what they look like when they're off. Big improvement, small improvements. So if you get this bolt right here, this one, that, and just to be safe, you can get these two. And mainly if you get this one, that will help you out magically because you can just go through here and just get like this vent. You got to clip it from here. So really, just this bolt is needed to get all four. Now we just took the tire off because for one, but we took the tires off because for one, it's harder to get through there, and I just rather not be bothered. So with that being said, man, y'all gonna see more of this thing get better. I'm getting black trims, side skirts, splitter, smoke to better tail lights, better rims whenever I can find it, diffuser, fix that. And with that being said, man, everything else that really come along with it.